Huff day, guys. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is Jeremy from Cherry Detailing. I hope everyone's having a splendid day. What you are seeing, this is a Tesla Model Y. We have performed a 10-year ceramic coating on this vehicle about 4 months ago. Now it's back and it's due for maintenance. We're also going to check the hydrophobic abilities on the ceramic coating, and then from there, as our post detail, we're going to apply SystemX RENEW, which acts as a sacrificial layer on top of the ceramic coating, keeping that 10-year ceramic coating protected longer than it's supposed to, if you keep applying the SystemX RENEW. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are in Guam, or if you guys have any questions, comment down below. I'll answer them to the best of my abilities. But if you guys are located in Guam and you want your car to be ceramic coated and protected against any regular wear and tear, and also the sun, especially Guam's harsh environment, give us a call. Click the link down below in the description. It'll bring you straight to our website, and we have all the information about SystemX and how well ceramic coating is great for the vehicle for long-term protection. Other than that, please like and subscribe this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.